Welcome to our NMMA and Casa Workshop series. My name is Marilyn Lara Corral, and I am an art educator at the National Museum of Mexican Art. Today, we will be making papier-mâché sugar skulls. These can be used in a home altar for decoration purposes year after year. During Day of the Dead, sugar skulls are popular sweets that are found in many marketplaces in Mexico. These sweets are usually produced by a family of artisans who have been working in this trade for several generations. Sugar skulls are placed on home altars as a decorative element that honor and represent a departed soul, or they may also be given to family and children as a treat. For this first part, you will need aluminum foil and a marker. Begin making an egg-shaped ball. At the bottom of the egg-shaped ball, form a square for the jaw. To form the cheekbones, use your index finger and thumb to press firmly under the area where the cheeks would be. Next, use the back of a marker to press down and make the eye socket indentation. Once your sugar skull is ready, you can begin making engrudo, papier-mâché mix. To make the papier-mâché mix, you will need a cup of flour, a cup of hot water, a mixing bowl, and a spoon. Begin by mixing a cup of flour and a cup of hot water into a mixing bowl. Mix until you get rid of some of the clumps. You can add more water if it is too thick, or a spoonful of sugar if it is too runny. Continue mixing until it is completely smooth and you have a pancake-like consistency. Next, cut newspaper into strips. Now we can apply the papier-mâché mix onto the skull by dipping the strips into the paste and running it through your pinched fingers. Continue applying papier-mâché covered strips onto the skull until you have at least 3 layers covering the entire skull. Once it is dry, you will begin painting the entire skull white and allowing that to dry a few more hours. Now you can begin decorating your calaverita using colorful markers or acrylic paint. You can make many more decorative papier-mâché sugar skulls of various different sizes to add to your prenda. Thank you for joining us. and stay tuned for more NMMA and Casa Virtual Workshops.